Pagkatapos ng aking culinary adventure, panahon na para tuklasin ang iba pang yaman ng Takayama. Isa ito sa popular na puntahan ng mga bumibisita sa Takayama dahil ang ganda ng view ng buong lungsod. At kung mapapansin nyo, doon sa paligid, mayroong mga matataas na bundok. So yung city is actually situated at the bottom of all of those mountains, para siyang nasa ilalim ng isang malaking mangkok. Ang mga gubat at bundok na ito ang ugat ng ipinagmamalaking sining ng Takayama. Ang paglilok ng kahoy. Napakatagal na ng kultura ng wood carving sa Takayama. Noon pa man, tanyag na sa buong Japan ang galing ng kanilang mga artisano.
The wood culture in Takayama is very old, almost 1,300 years, so we cherish it very much.
They have a very close relationship with nature in this region.
People from Takayama really believe in the beauty and the value of wood, so they try to preserve it. And if they have to use it, they use it in the best way they can.
Hanggang ngayon, buhay pa rin ang tradisyon. Bumisita ako sa isang workshop para makita ito in action. Hello, good morning. Very nice to meet you. My name is Atom.
鷲塚と言います。よろしくお願いしま
Nice
す。
to meet you. Isang traditional oni o devil mask ang uukiti ni Master Washizuka Mokujin. Dito sa Takayama, Japanese yew o ichi ang karaniwang ginagamit na kahoy sa wood carvings.
般若のお面。
This is a Hanya mask. This is the Ichi tree. Ichi, it's a beautiful tree with very fine tithe growth rings.
Ichi itobori ang tawag sa wood carving style na ito. Hindi kinukulayan ng kahoy para lumitaw ang natural nitong ganda. Mga rough cut muna ang ginawa ni Sensei para bigyan ng hugis ang kahoy.
荒彫りの時は力が
This part requires strength, so you need to use full body strength to cut the wood.
Is it tiring?
疲れます。
Rough carving is exhausting, especially in this part, the karagori. It's very tiring.
Sa bawat hagod ni Sensei, unti-unti, tila nabubuhay na ang kahoy. So nakakatuwa siya panoorin kasi kailangan niyang puwersahin yung pag-cut. So it's strong but at the same time it's very precise. At mula sa isang bloke ng kahoy kanina, nakakailang minuto pa lang tayo pero nakikita ko nang nagtitake shape yung ulo na kinakarve niya.
Push with your body, not with the hand. Just
Un momento.
体ね。体で push with your body. not
Push
your
with
hand.
my
Your-
body.
Your hand doesn't move, just the body.
Come on, baby.
Okay. Yes.
Ooh, so sharp.
Yes, yes.
Ah,
It's very
yes.
鋭いというか。全然続けてもらって大丈夫です。You can continue like this.
Ooh. Ooh. It feels so nice to use the tool. It's like
実際使うのは
はい。
気持ちいいっていうか、
せっかくならでかいやつ使ってみますか。
Are you sure you want me to hold a bigger one? Oh. Ah, this way. Ooh, hard. Oh. Ah. Ah, nice. So nakakat lang ako ng konti dito. Yan. Sa may baba nung mask. Ganda ng kahoy. Halos 4 na dekada na itong ginagawa ni Sensei. Nasa high school pa raw siya nang mahilig sa Ichi Itobori.
昔から飛騨という地域は
The region of Hida has always been carving woodworks since ancient times.
税の代わりに都へ行って働いていた。
So the people in the next generation are also inspired by this. It feels very good to continue this tradition.
How do you think I did today with the few cuts that I made? I shouldn't have asked.
10年頑張れば
You're going to be very good in 10 years.
In 10 years. Okay, I will work hard for 10 years. Pero teka, Thank you.
nakakagutom din palang maglilok ng kahoy.